Hi, my name's Adam Sykes, founder of SwiftCase, the professional productivity platform, and today I want to give you some ideas about how you can improve your success and how you can do better working with your team. So success is one of those things that is ubiquitous. Everyone wants to have it. The desire seems to be there for most people, and although success may look different to different people, the want and the need to achieve is always there. So one of the techniques that you can use is to think differently, to have a success mindset. There is evidence that shows that if you think you are going to be successful, that you will actually be successful and you will achieve. So things like using visualisations and affirmations, all these things help you to put yourself into a better mindset. Now, if you think that you're always going to fail and things have gone badly in the past and oh, you're not going to do well this time, well then you're probably not going to. You need to think positively. Remember the times that you've done well. Remember the times that you've succeeded, and you will do better. And if you have that success mindset, it will spread. So always remember to think positively. So as well as thinking positively yourself, you want it to spread around your team. And the best way to spread things around your team is to celebrate successes. So if someone's had a small win, they've made a sale, they've produced a great product or delivered a great service, or they've had brilliant feedback from their customers, then share that success. Things like Employee of the Month are, classic examples of sharing success of your team members. But even just that email, the pat on the back, the little comment after something's been done, they all go together to spread success. To celebrate success in front of other people is a very powerful tool, because if one person sees someone being praised for success in the business, then other people want to get that praise too. People want to be, they want to have that praise, they want to have that approval. And if you can spread that information around the team, all the ideas that people have got, they'll all start becoming, they'll start to be spread around the team like a contagion. It's called social contagion. So if you can use some of these techniques, you can help your whole team to become better. Don't hide it away in an email, a short email. That's great, you're acknowledging someone's success, but make sure the whole team knows that someone's been successful so that they can emulate it. And also the person who's been successful gets that praise from his team members as well. So another aspect of positive thinking and spreading success around your team is that actually good news that's expressed outwardly actually helps you to feel good inwardly. And using these techniques, you can, by just talking about your successes, by talking about the small wins that you've had, it helps you lead on to other wins. And think about ways that you can create more small wins. So maybe break down your projects into smaller steps. So each of those steps then becomes a chance for another win. Maybe have a think about adding some competition into your team. So maybe you've got one department that can, square off against another department, and that department gets a chance to then win and celebrate success amongst themselves because they've been the department that's been successful. So think about ways that can inject more chance, more opportunities for people to be seen to be winning, to be doing well. Set people up for success, don't set them up for failure. So when you are giving praise, make sure that it's specific and sincere. You can't pick favorite members of staff. You've got to treat everybody equally. And when you are praising them, don't just say good job or well done or that's great. Pick up something specific that they've done that's been really important. What part of the process did they really add to, and what specifically did they do that made the win happen? And let people know, because if people know how it was achieved, they can emulate it. So thinking positively is number one. Making sure that you're spreading that positive thinking around your teams, number two. And then make sure you create opportunity for people to be successful, and then make sure that any praise is sincere and specific and public. So hopefully some of these techniques, some of these tips help you to become more productive in your team, to be more successful. Think that you're successful and you will be successful. Thank you. My name's Adam Sykes, founder of SwiftCase, the professional productivity platform. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to leave some comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.